Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's so nice to see you. It's always nice to see you.
I understand this is not your first time as part of judging
Yeah, this is my third year. Yeah.
And what you have understood in these three times, what it means as what it means to be on the stage.
I think this is the biggest platform, you know, Femina, Miss India. I don't know how many years old is this. We should get this right. 56 years. So I think that itself just tells you what a big, long history that this pageant has. And that is how important it is. And I think it gives you that kind of experience and exposure. So it's very important, especially because it has so much history attached to it. It's 56th year, you know. So yeah, it's a long time.
You have always been admired for your charm and your beauty.
Thank you.
What is your criteria while judging and in general for the beauty?
I was just talking about that. I think the most important thing is confidence, you know. I mean, यहाँ तक अगर ये लड़कियाँ आई हैं, they obviously are all very good. They look great and they, you know, look fantastic. Everything is perfect. But I think beyond that is confidence. सबसे ज़्यादा जो एक attractive चीज़ होती है, I think, is your self-confidence, and that is what really makes you stand apart. You know, not even overconfidence, but I just mean like this whole sense of who you are and you're sure of yourself. So if I was to look for something, I think that's what I'm looking for.
56 years और साथ में आपके भी 15 साल आपके
Yes.
वे भी बड़े ऐतिहासिक रहे हैं।
जी जी।
संपूर्णता सेटिस्फाइड हैं आप अभी अपने इस करियर को लेकर?
आई थिंक द की इज़ कि कभी भी आप पूरी तरह सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होना चाहिए, कंटेंट होना चाहिए, पर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होना चाहिए. स्लाइट डिफरेंस. सो आई थिंक अब कंटेंट इन द सेंस कि जितना मिला है बहुत मिला है, और जितना थोड़ा काम किया है उसके हिसाब से मुझे जितना आई थिंक एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिला है, जितना इंडस्ट्री ने, ऑडियंसेस ने चाहा है, वो बहुत है मेरे लिए. बट आई डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट टू डू मोर. And inshallah I should probably get another 15 years. So let's see, but it's been good. आपसे ज़्यादा कोई नहीं करता है. You are like the most dramatic man I know. But thank you. You always put a smile on everyone's face. Yeah.
वर्ल्ड कप का समारोह चल रहा है.
Very important match. जी जी.
उत्साहित हैं आप क्योंकि बारिश इधर तो खेल रही है मैच.
I know. Well, India-Pakistan match I think हमेशा से has been a historically exciting match always, you know. So of course I'm looking forward. और ये World Cup especially, I think इतना there is so much of noise around it. So and it's of course it's England, you know. I think it's the what's it called? Like the land of where it came from, you know, it all started. So it's kind of interesting. It's come back to London, I mean England. Yeah. I think Dhoni would be my favorite. Virat, of course, is very exciting and aggressive, and he's got this whole, you know, the young blood. But I think Dhoni just has this amazing grace about him. एक confidence, एक grace है, एक sense of, you know, I mean, there's composure about him, which is nice to see in a sportsman.
वो शायद ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि वो आप उनकी favorite actress हैं, ऐसा कुछ है?
Well, I don't know. मुझे साक्षी ने एक बारी कहा था. So I met Sakshi and Dhoni at the airport. So she told me. So I don't know. I guess. But वो मेरे, I am his fan. Yeah.
प्रतिबिंब लग रहा है आप दोनों